Just like we know 2020 was the worst fucking year ever, and yeah, the Christmas of 2020 was just a bit different than those other years. So it's randomly to a time. It's now Christmas Eve. And now here I'm dropping off to Mercadona, and I think it was at 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. Just to buy the groceries or what we need for the Christmas Eve dinner. And it was just I needed the groceries for Christmas dinner tonight. So now, yeah, I'm dropping off to Mercadona, and as like we all know, yeah, here I am. I'm dropping off right now. Now here I arrived at Mercadona and into the first lift, which is a ThyssenKrupp.
So I've been wanting, and I should buy this lift again. I should buy this lift again for this video. Okay. Nice, go back down. You know, a few years ago, they painted it all again. Así. Tenemos dos y nada podía sonar. There it goes.
And now I'm dropping off some new Consum medicine before, well, not new, but it has a really nice look. So you may guess what you'll find out when you are there. So, I may give you hints and I wouldn't do so. So, here I'm dropping off the Consum that I'm doing right now. And I really is mean it's almost a Christmas Eve dinner. and see how it was, and let's write the next list of this video, which is, of course, an Orona OR96.
Oh, this is authentic, and I'm now writing it if I've never filmed before. First wife ever motorroom. So it's wife this. This thing also has 3-speed door. This is amazing. And now I return the shopping cart back to where it was. There it goes. So there it goes for this lift.
And now I return home to have dinner with the whole family. And after the family left, I went to sleep at sometime like 4 a.m., which is absolutely late. And usually I go to bed at 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. And that was extremely late time to go to bed. It's now Christmas! And yep, I did absolutely nothing on Christmas, and I can you can just fall asleep on the entire Christmas day, and I always on Christmas eat for lunch the typical Christmas soup that you may see in Spain. So Christmas is just nothing the best times to go film this, and that. So to make my Christmas better, I went to McDonald's to buy the dinner. But I don't know how it's that weird that McDonald's opens on Christmas. Like, I don't really get it. It was just to make my Christmas experience better. And yeah, I didn't really get why they opened McDonald's on Christmas when it was supposed to be closed. It's now Boxing Day, and I think this Boxing Day will be much better than the one in 2019. But I don't remember what they've just done in 2019. But I bet this Boxing Day will be much fucking better than 2019. But in this Boxing Day, I went into some cafe in Menetusa just for the tea time, I think, for the so-called tea time in Spain. And afterwards, that cafe in Benetús, we even decided to go to the Valencia Center. And as like we know, I take the metro always to go to the Valencia Center. Like this Boxing Day wouldn't have been much better if we done all of those stuffs. Yep, wouldn't have been. and we finally arrived at the Valencia station. And it might be having a long time I've been riding the metro all after Christmas, and it's like we know, this is just Metro Valencia, of course. But it's time to go to the Valencia Centre, and where I always get off to go there is Àngel Guimerà. Yep, I always get off there, but as like we all know, and this time the train I rode to go there was a line to Tuleria. So there's nothing much interesting about this just ride. I know I haven't ridden Metro Valencia for a long time, even if it's now Boxing Day. I'm still riding no matter what. Even if it's Boxing Day for UK, I'm riding it no matter what.
Pròxima parada, Sant Isidre. Connexió amb l'estació d'Adif.
And even it's even for the purpose of recording the train ride for the video. Right, it's turned off.
Pròxima parada, Sant Renat.
Right, it's turned off because it's nice.
preguntar si podía bajar y me dio las
I would go another train to return back to 2014. The line sent to Tanzania in 4351. This is return to 2012.
Jesús. Connexió amb l'estació Joaquim Soroll a Garí. Correspondència amb la línia 7. Este tren finalitza el seu trajecte a línia.
I bet it's going to take a while.
Escúchame, como se venía, me dice que va a quedar con el plato. No lo sé, vamos a ver la vieja.
Never mind, it didn't take a while.
Ahora, Carmen, ¿tienes dinero, no? Ya pago ¿dónde está? Abajo del pueblo.
Próxima parada, Plaza España.
Next stop is ours. So I'm going to stand up. Never mind if people just get off at Plaza España. The lift is seen on camera right now. I'm standing up just to get so we get off.
cosas que no te veía. Oye, yo llevo
El martes. No, del lunes que yo no fui el martes.
Ah, pero yo el viernes. Que no sé por qué, pero vamos, pero Àngel Guimerà, nos pasamos de venir en la Carolina.
¿Cómo te vas a ir?
No.
Pròxima parada. Àngel Guimerà. Correspondència amb les línies 3, 5 i 9.
Cold hand, yeah? Some of the doors refuse to close since there's so much people. Never mind, that wasn't our train. So now on to the next lift. Damn it. I thought she was almost late. Thought that girl was almost late. So now on to the next lift. Just wait, mate. So now to the next lift, which is a really classic ThyssenKrupp lift. And now oops, I forgot to call the lift. I forgot to call the lift. This needs to be replaced very soon. This is not even going very well. This lift is still classy, but it's now turning into but it's now in bad condition, which is why for sure it needs a replacement very soon in maybe at some point in 2021. And now to the next lift. And you think they should have lift restrictions just like in some countries like Indonesia and others? Well, I think they should because of COVID-19. The virus is just getting really hot. The virus is just expanding more in the world. Now here's on present. I've been wanting to show for this video. So now here's the ThyssenKrupp lift. But yeah, I have a way to get down. I have to get it in -1, so I'm not gonna bother wasting my time to go downstairs until -1. So yeah, I went from the even as already from the last time.
Tienda de vapeo.
Now I'm into the town hall square. went to the town square, which is why most people, which is now why, and it's now pedestrian, which is I think why most people in Valencia. I think most people in Valencia say that nowadays it's horrible. And this looks so amazing. There's nothing much interesting than recording this the taking video of this one, and as well as recording the very big Christmas tree, the very big Christmas tree in the middle of the square. There's also in the square some really old office buildings that really look like sad buildings for some reason. There's more lights on this phone, so I know you're done. There's more lights on this phone, so I know you're done. I was even waiting to get the green light. That's good.
Estás pendiente de lo tuyo, no eres una...
The purple lights for some reason the green lights for some reason in my camera they would see like purple.
Un montón de libros para leer. A ver lo que pasa.
Now into a Christmas tree, this looks so amazing. There's nothing much interesting about this. If you want me, I can stop the video now. If you want me to stop the video, I can do so right now. If you want me to stop the video, I can do so right now.
And now to the Town Hall Square Bank. I was even strange when I got in as I've seen some strange shit and some lights and some decorations in there and some neon lights which look really amazing. I'm not gonna lie about this, but it actually does. And as of always, I was strange to see this, and yep. I was lucky that I took a photo of this whole new thing. Now to the pedestrian street. I've been walking to there to get to Zara and then to get the metro back home. And when I was walking, when I was walking a few minutes, me and my father have been looking for some movies. And now in there to one of the most controversial shops ever in Valencia. This shop is named is named after a fucking drug, which kind of, in my opinion, wouldn't make any sense. And it's named Cannabis Store Amsterdam. And you know, I think Amsterdam is a city in Netherlands. I don't know if this store actually sells real cannabis, but to be honest, and repeating again, I don't know if this store actually sells real cannabis. Oh well. So now into Zara and into the lift there, which is a ThyssenKrupp. Oh dear, big fail. This sometimes happens, so don't worry. It's kind of a fast hydraulic. Yeah, those indicators are rip off of voters and the day is always incorrect, like in those typical ThyssenKrupp with this type of indicator. And now coming out of Zara and now into Cologne Underground Station. There's nothing much interesting at Cologne Underground Station ever since after 22 years it opened. Well, 23, it will turn 23 in September. Because you know it opened in September. So as like I know in this station, I always take those line 7s to Tony, which you may see once really soon. So he goes nothing, and now going down the escalators, and some trains are coming, but there's like always when there's a line 7, when there's the next train 7 to Tony and 3 to the airport. Stupid FGV just pushed the line 3 to the airport first, then the line 7 to Toronto for some reason. I don't know the reason, to be fairly honest.
¿Es un móvil o una tablet? ¿Una tablet? Apareció un móvil. Digo, pedazo cacharro. ¿Qué quieres? Me he confundido. No, vale, necesito dos gafas. No las tengo. Acaba en el Picanya el bolsillo, loco. Eso se les ha pillado wifi. Lo escucho. Lo escucho. Vale, mira, ella también tiene orejitas. Bueno, lo escucho donde hay. Ella tiene complejo de orejitas, primo. Entonces, pues si las tuviera así, pues no sería tanto, pero las tengo así. Ella tiene complejo de orejitas. Pero me da igual. La que no tiene orejas tampoco. Me la come. La que no mucho, tío. No se quedó andando y como eres mujer, iba a ser pelo así, no se me gusta. Vale, luego imagínate, me canso como yo. A ver, sí, me voy a poner yo el pelo así también, hermano. Como si fuera judío. Claro, mira, ponte así, ponte dos mechoncicos así para adelante. Dos mechoncicos nada más.
Así parece un rabino. Te ponen el gorrico ese que se ponen los judíos. ¿A que sí, hermano? ¿A que sí, como los judíos? Que se ponen así
las patillas, ¿verdad?
Claro, son los judíos igual. ¿Has hecho tu primer bar mitzvah?
Es un bar mitzvah.
Como la comunión, pero de los... Hice un bar, la otra. Hice un bar.
Yo no sé lo que lo escuchas siempre, pero no sé lo que es un bar mitzvah.
Es la comunión, pero de los judíos.
Próxima parada.
La comunión.
Bar mitzvah hacer la comunión de los judíos.
Cortan el cielo, ¿no?
Conexión
Cortan
desde
el prepucio,
camino.
claro. En cada cultura tiene una fiesta para los adolescentes.
Es un pafeto, hermano. De los judíos, es bar mitzvah.
En México es para las niñas a los 17 años. A los 15. No lo sé, para los 15 me les cortan el prepucio. A mí me lo cortaron.
Un mordisco.
Me cortó un mordisco un lirón.
No te bajes.
¿Qué? ¿Dices tú, tío?
Se le da la cabeza al niño con los porros, está quedando mal, ya, está fumando parco, al día.
En el metro ya vamos para coger el coche y a comprar. Todavía había ahí en el cajón. Vale. Venga, ojalá. Ahora.
Sí que tenías un vídeo guapo mío, tirado ahí en la puerta, haciendo, ¿te acuerdas o no?
¿Sabes la puerta?
Sí, haciendo ahí, no sé qué.
¿Y en el metro?
Te lo juro por mi madre.
Yo lo he visto.
Tengo vídeos, tío, pavos, pero tirar la
Próxima
puerta.
parada.
Tiró la puerta, tiró la puerta. Estaban tus historias aquí.
Conexión despacio Joaquín Sorolla David.
Estaba tan guapo, hermano.
Cables y líneas 1 y 2.
La mejilla. ¿Cómo que me la subes en la mejilla? Águila. Recoge eso, no ensucies el metro.
La botella. La ha tocado. La ha tocado tu mano. Está guapo.
Cállate la boca.
Está guapo, está grabando el metro,
Yeah.
¿sabes?
Yeah, I know.
Vamos a hacer un vídeo.
And that video is supposed to be for
Pero no se ve
2021.
nada, que ponga el flash. Y si no tiene flash, claro, si se ve el flash a lo mejor se ve en la pared.
No.
Se refleja en los cristales.
Próxima parada. Padres.
Tiene que ser así, mira, así. Dime. Estamos en el metro, hermano, llegando. Vamos por para atrás. Vale, ir abajo el metro.
Estoy en tu casa.
Hemos llegado casi a la 20.
Mira, así tiene que ser.
Pero ahora da igual.
Ya, pero ahora cuando pase. Bueno,
¿Qué haces? Como le sigas grabando, te pedimos que te rompo un montero, ¿no? Joder, que soy broma, chiquillo. Chiquillo me ha pillado, ¿lo has visto? Por eso me ha seguido grabando. Porque me está vacilando. Luciano, tío, pues por lo menos quita el flash, tío. Sé gracioso, pero sin flash. ¿Vale? Ah, tío.
Eso es nada, chaval.
Ahora qué.
Próxima parada. Santana.
Hombre, más que sí, seguro.
¿En serio qué?
Ya no
Las
te
cosas
pases,
confunden, ¿eh?
Se ha confiscado.
Me he confiscado.
Me confisqué yo mismo. Soldado.
Entonces te hacías decir.
¿Eres un...? Mira, me callo. Porque me están cogiendo.
Better that. Better that shit.
Si no se hace caso, maricón.
Bueno, ¿tú tienes papel? A ver.
Pròxima parada. Sant Isidre. Connexió amb l'estació de Vic.
Ya vale. Sí. ¿La has visto?
¿Has visto? Marcos. Vale, no le queda mucho, le queda al Bulgar.
Tío, te la hemos salido de una cosa.
I was going to go right here.
¿Qué no se de aquí?
Pròxima parada. València Sud. Ferrocarrils de la Generalitat Valenciana.
Oh, lekker wijntje zoet. The train is going now.